How to plant amaryllis. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you how to plant amaryllis. Amaryllis is usually planted around 6 to 8 weeks from Christmas. Probably you can plant it from like September to December. So this is amaryllis that I got at the store. As you can see, the buds are already coming out on the sides too. So I'm gonna have 3 separate plants on this one. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the label we have on it. So we're just taking out the label, then we're gonna plant it. And planting the amaryllis, you want to have at least some soil in the container or potting mix in the container. So you need to have at least 2 inch of potting mix or soil in the container. As you can see, they already started budding and producing some stems. So you want to just make a little hole in the I put in about 4 inches of potting mix already. So you want to make a little hole and then plant the bulb in there. And you want to make sure the bulb is not completely covered. So plant the bulb pointing the side up, and place the rest of the compost around the bulb and press firmly. The top 2/3 of the bulb should be above the compost. You want to choose a well-lit area where it's not going to be in direct sunlight, and you want the temperature in the room to be around between 68 and 75 degrees, and you want to keep the compost moist and not waterlogged. You don't want it to be soaked. You just want to water it regularly, especially when the buds start coming out and the leaves start coming out. You want to make sure that you water it regularly and avoid watering the bulbs themselves. Just water around the bulb or the compost. And the amaryllis should be, bloom I'll say within 6 to 8 weeks after we plant it like this. So I'm just gonna make sure I just completely water it. As you can see, I watered everything, and with the compost that I have, it has good drainage because I make my own compost. I'll see if I can put a link to that in the description below. So I'm just gonna decorate it with some stones right here. Just decorate it with some stones, and then we just want to make sure that we put it in a lit area, and you want to rotate it so that way it doesn't grow to a certain direction following the light. Stay tuned for the updated video. I will update you in about 4 to 6 weeks once the plant grows. Okay, I hope this helps you out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.